So Insta360 sent me their brand new GPS remote. Let's open it up, connect it to the X3, and I'll show you how it works. In the box you have the GPS remote itself, the USB-C cable to charge the GPS remote, the wrist strap, the selfie stick strap, and the quick start guide. To connect your GPS remote to the X3, first turn on the X3 and then turn on the GPS remote. On the X3, go to Settings, Bluetooth Remote. On the GPS remote, press the shutter button to go into Settings and press the shutter button again to select Pair New. Wait for the X3 to pick up the GPS remote. Tap the GPS remote, and now the GPS remote is connected to the X3. In the top left-hand corner is your GPS signal, and you want to make sure your GPS remote has a clear view of the sky to capture GPS data more accurately with a strong signal. If you put the GPS remote in your backpack or in your pocket, then you'll get a weak signal and not very accurate GPS data. This is the battery level indicator for the GPS remote, and this is the battery level indicator for the X3. Keep pressing the mode button on the GPS remote to cycle through all the different modes of the X3. To enter a mode, press the shutter button. To start the video recording, press the shutter button again. And to stop the video recording, just press the shutter button again. So let's say you want to wear the GPS remote around your wrist. Turn over the GPS remote and turn over the wrist strap. These grooves need to go in the middle of the GPS remote turnable. So this turns horizontally and vertically and clicks into place. Thread the wrist strap through the turnable until the groove comes in the middle. So now the wrist strap is locked together into the GPS remote. Wear the GPS remote like a watch. Slot the strap. And now the GPS remote is mounted on your wrist. You can wear the GPS remote in any direction you like. Now you can charge the GPS remote via a USB-C port instead of a micro USB port on the old one. When I turn on the X3 and the GPS remote again, they don't seem to connect together automatically. So to connect the GPS remote manually to the X3 again, just tap the shutter button twice on the GPS remote, and then it will connect to the X3. Once you've finished recording your video with GPS data, then open the shot in the Insta360 app, go to the Stats option, and here you can select the stats you wish to include in your video. I will select all of them. You can change the speed from kilometers an hour to miles an hour, and if I tap play, you can see the GPS overlay in sync with the video. Tap the tick to confirm, and then you can export your video with GPS data. So that's everything you need to know about the GPS remote. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more 360 tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.